Amelia paused in her sunny kitchen, acutely aware of her thirst. She reached into the cupboard for a clear glass and filled it with cold water from the tap, watching the condensation bead on its surface. Balancing the glass carefully, she began to walk towards the living room where her favorite armchair awaited. But as she stepped over the threshold, her sock caught on the edge of a rug and gravity went a muted thud, a splash, and the glass tumbled from her grip, sending water sprawling across the hardwood floor. A shimmering puddle began spreading, more expansive than she'd anticipated. Amelia frowned. The day was already warm, and she hadn't counted on cleaning chores. With brisk determination, she fetched the mop from the hallway closet, its bristles slightly damp from last night's rain. She returned and began to wipe, moving with focused, rhythmic strokes until every last trace of water was absorbed and the floor gleamed in the morning light. Satisfied with her effort and relieved the spill hadn't left any lasting damage, Amelia poured herself a fresh glass of water. This time, she took slow, deliberate steps toward her armchair, settling in with a contented sigh. Each sip of water was cold, refreshing, and exactly what she'd craved.